Okay, guys, let's get started. So, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. So, my name is Kashif. I am from Mumbai, India. I have somewhere around 14 years of practical IT experience now. I have expertise on various technologies like SCCM, Intune, application packaging, Azure, PowerShell, Active Directory, but my primary focus has been on SCCM and Intune. So I started my career as a help desk support engineer. Then I was moved into SCCM level 1, level 2, level 3 team. And now I'm working as an architect, wherein I have to design and implement technologies for companies. I have implemented technologies for various companies. Apart from these implementation and project tasks, I am involved in training. So I do classroom training, online training, corporate training, wherein I have trained more than 30,000 students globally. Okay, I am a BSc IT graduate from Mumbai University, and after completing my graduation, I have completed various certification as well, mostly Microsoft certification. So that's about me, guys. Now let's move on to the next uh, topic, which is basically the duration of this training. So this training is going to be for 30 days. Okay. Hopefully, we will be able to finish all the topics within 30 days. And daily, we are going to do 1 hour session, daily 1 hour session. Okay. Monday to Monday to Friday. So Monday to Friday, India time. For US, it is gonna be Sunday to Thursday, right? So Monday to
So
Friday,
it's
mhm,
it's um it's 7:30 over here. Sunday.
Sunday 7:30.
Yeah.
Okay, yes. So India, it will be Monday to Friday. And what time we are going to do? We will do at 7 a.m. IST, India time. So if you are in US or um, different country, you have to calculate according to your time zone. I think it is gonna be 8:30 p.m. EST, Eastern Standard Time. Okay. So we will do daily 1 hour session, Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Okay. That's the daily session we are going to do. Okay. Now I'm gonna take you to the course content. If you have not received the course content, you can let me know. I will send that to you guys. So the course content is right here. Um, in this one, we will start from the basic to advanced level. So introduction to MDM, then Intune versus SCCM. Okay. There are various topics which are included in this course content. Okay. And this course content is basically as per the day-to-day job profile. When you join any company, what all things are needed in the organization. So generally, this course content is aligned with the um, work profile plus the certification. Okay. Okay. So daily 1 hour session we are going to do, and it is going to take 30 days to finish all the topics. So Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. Okay. 1 minute, guys. Somebody joining. Okay. Now let's move on to the next topic, and that is after this training, if you would like to take Microsoft certification exam, okay, after this training, then the exam is MD 102. MD 102 is the exam which is released in the month of June itself this year. It's a new exam. After taking this exam, you will become Microsoft Endpoint certified. I'll show you MD 102. You see Endpoint Administrator. So this is the exam. Details, you can go through the details. It's going to ask you Microsoft 365, okay, Security Administrator and Workload Administrator, okay. Microsoft 365 technologies, including Intune, as well as a strong skill on experience in deploying, configuring, and maintaining Windows client and non-Windows devices. Okay, so this exam is gonna cost you 165 US dollar if you are in US or any other country. But if you are in India, then it's gonna cost you somewhere around 4,800 Indian rupees plus taxes. Okay, this is the cost if you are in India. If you are outside India, then 165 US dollar. Now, this exam is you need to score minimum 700 out of 1000 to pass this exam. Okay, minimum 700 you need to score. 70% is needed to pass this exam. Are you guys all able to hear me, right?
Yeah, Kalsi.
Yes, correct.
Yes,
Yes.
Akash.
Okay. Now, the next thing is we would like to discuss about why Intune. Okay, why do we need to learn Intune? So, first of all, Intune, as you know, it's a Microsoft product. Okay, and it was released in in the year 2010. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Somebody waiting to join. Okay, so this is released in the year 2010. So it's a matured product. It's not a new product. Okay, it's released in the year 2010. So it is there in the market for the past 13 years now. Point number two, the after COVID uh, 19, what happened? People started working from home. So previously Intune was not in that demand, but after COVID 19, when people started working from home, then we faced a lot of challenges to manage devices through SCCM, because the devices mostly uh, they are, users are working from home on the internet. So we were facing a lot of challenges to deploy policies, to deploy application, to deploy updates to their devices. So Intune um, solve these problems, because using Intune you will be able to perform these tasks on the internet. So network connectivity is not a requirement here. Okay, we don't have to have the network on premises network. Okay, so it's a matured product. So almost all big size and medium size companies have implemented this one. So wherever you go, you will find Intune. Okay, whether you are in India or US or Canada, Australia, or Gulf countries, you will see Intune being implemented in uh, big size and medium size companies. So that's the reason we have good vacancies and good uh, salary. So Intune has good vacancies. Okay, good salary as well. So those who are in US or Canada or Australia, they can expect a salary of 45 US dollar per hour. Okay, 45 US dollar per hour. If you are in India, then you can expect a salary of 8 lakh per year. 8 lakh means 800,000 Indian rupees. These are average salaries, guys. Okay, so good vacancies, good salary. Point number 5, easy to learn. Okay, easy to learn. Intune is, um, if you compare with SCCM, SCCM is little tough than Intune. Um, in SCCM, you have to have some rec- um, prerequisite, like some understanding on DNA, some understanding on DHCP and other things. But in Intune, you don't need those things. If you have those skills, or if you have those understanding, it is well and good. Okay. Okay, so easy to learn. We don't have any programming languages here. So no programming languages basically. No programming languages, no coding. We don't have to do any coding here. We don't have to learn any C, C++ or Java or any other programming languages. That's the reason it makes life easier for those who do not want to go into the coding field, right? So it is all GUI based. So web portal is there. You just have to follow the steps to achieve your task, and you will be able to deploy application or updates or whatever the things you would like to do it from Intune, you can do it. Okay, so it's a matured product. Almost everywhere it is being utilized. Good vacancies, good salary, easy to learn, and no programming languages. Point number 7, good future as well. Okay, so this product is, Microsoft is focusing more and more on this product. Every month they are releasing new versions, I mean, they are adding more and more features into Intune. That's the reason the scope is getting expanded, features are getting added. So um, you have good future in this one. So these are the factors why you should learn Intune. Okay. Whereas if you talk about SCCM, okay, so suppose I have some people on this call who are looking for SCCM training. SCCM is a good technology, it's a matured product. So it is also a matured product. It is there in the market for the past 30 years now. So it is released, it was released in the year 1994 initially, and um, it has been in the market for the past 30 years now. So it's a matured product. Almost all big size and medium size companies, SCCM is also implemented, almost all big size and medium size companies. Okay. Point number 3. Now, if you talk about the vacancies, I'm comparing with Intune. Okay. If you compare with other technology, then it may be good. But if you are comparing with Intune, so less vacancies than Intune administrator. So in SCCM administrator versus Intune administrator. So you have more vacancies for Intune administrator than SCCM administrator these days. Okay. Point number 4, good salary. Salary is good. Okay. Just like Intune, you have good salary for SCCM. Point number 5, I'm comparing with Intune. Okay. So it is little tough to learn SCCM than Intune. So tougher than Intune. So you can learn Intune easily than SCCM if you are like uh, if you are, or if you already have little knowledge on SCCM, then it's okay. But if you are learning Intune or SCCM for the first time, then you will find Intune is easier than SCCM. Okay. Point number 6, no coding. We don't have coding here as well. Point number 7, um, future. If you would like to talk about the futuristic prospect here, then Intune is far better than SCCM. Intune future better than SCCM. Okay, I teach both the technologies, guys. I teach SCCM, I teach Intune, both of them. But these days the trend is people are moving towards Intune than SCCM. Okay, or those who already have SCCM, they are moving towards Intune because they have to manage devices on the internet. Now, what all things you can manage from Intune and what all things you can manage from SCCM. So from Intune, you can manage Windows 10, right? Windows 11. You can manage um, Windows IoT devices. Windows IoT devices. Then you can manage Android devices. Okay. Then you can manage iOS devices. You can manage Mac computers. You can manage Linux and you can manage Chrome OS. These are the operating system you can manage from Intune. However, from SCCM you can manage Windows 10, 11, okay, Windows 10 and 11 plus Windows Server. From Intune you cannot manage Windows Server. So you can manage Windows Server 2016, 2019, 2022. From SCCM you can manage MacBooks. Okay, these are the only operating systems you can manage from SCCM. However, from Intune you can manage these operating systems. Now the future of Microsoft, they would like to remove the management functionality of Windows 10 or 11 and Mac from SCCM. They will keep um, only server management. Give me 1 minute, guys. Somebody calling me. Okay, I'm back, guys. Sorry. So from SCCM, you will be able to manage Windows 10, 11, Windows Server, Mac computers. Now, the plan is Microsoft is trying to keep only Windows Server management functionality with SCCM. They are not removing SCCM. They are not decommissioning SCCM. SCCM will be there, but for server uh, management. Okay, they would like to keep the Windows 10 and MacBook um, to be managed with Intune only. Okay, that's the plan for from Microsoft. Okay, so now as you know, Intune is also a Microsoft product. So Intune is basically going to do what? Intune does two things. Um, MDM, mobile device management, MAM, mobile application management. You can manage mobile devices and mobile applications. Okay, so in mobile devices, what all things, what all operating system it can manage? It can manage all these operating system: Windows 10, 11, Windows IoT, Android, iOS, Mac, Linux, Chrome OS, and application like Office 365 application, you know, other applications which you can manage through Intune. But why do we need to manage devices? What is the reason to manage devices? Suppose I am using a laptop. This is my laptop and this is my mobile, right? Why do we have to manage the device from Intune? So management will deploy, we can deploy policies, right? We can deploy policies to the devices. We can deploy configurations to the devices. Okay, configuration to the devices. We can deploy apps, applications, right? We can deploy updates. Okay, we can uh, wipe the device. You know, we can deploy wipe command so that the device will get wiped out. Okay, it will do factory reset of the device. Okay, so etc. So there are many things which you can do through Intune. Why do we need to do that? Because of the security reason. Because if you are accessing company resources from your laptop or from mobile, now suppose you lost your mobile. Suppose you lost your mobile device. So from Intune, I can initiate the wipe command so that the device is gonna get wiped out. Okay, or I'm gonna send a policy so that you cannot copy and paste it. So copy and paste it will not work from mobile to your Gmail. For example, you have your personal, sorry, a corporate email. You cannot copy the corporate email into your Gmail and send it to yourself or send it outside. So we will create policy. You cannot print, you know, you cannot print. Print will not work. Okay. So we can deploy a policy to block camera. Okay. Bluetooth. Okay. Wi-Fi. Block, unblock. We can deploy policy that you cannot install any new application. You cannot install application from Google Play Store. Okay, there are many things which we can do, so we will learn all these things when we go in the actual training. This is just a demo session, guys, wherein I wanted you to understand this Intune first, and from tomorrow onwards we will start doing the um, full-fledged Intune training. So now I would like to know from you guys who are looking for SCCM training and who are looking for Intune training. Okay. So, or if you have any question, you can also ask questions, guys. Yes, Susil, you have any question?
Yeah, yes, Kashif. There is one question which I wanted to ask. Can we able to manage AWS servers from Intune?
No, no.
Okay.
Server management is not there in Intune.
Mhm. Okay.
It's not compatible. Only client operating system, Windows 10, Windows 11, and the other one which I showed you in the slide. Yes. Any other
Um,
question?
Nothing from my side for now. That's all, Kashif.
Okay.
I'm looking forward for Intunes.
Okay. So Susil is looking for Intune. Hmm. Gloria, SCCM or Intune?
Kashif, I'm looking for Intune, Kashif.
Chandra. Hmm?
Yeah, yes, Kashif.
Kashif, I'm looking for Intune. Kashif.
Yeah, Kashif, I'm
You
also
also
looking for
need to
Intune
you
only.
also you also need to say your name, guys. I'm not saying who is speaking.
Yeah, Salman Kashif. I am also looking for Intune only.
Okay, you're looking for Intune training.
Hey,
Yes, yes.
Kashif. This is Gloria. So I'm looking for the both of them. Because I was
Okay.
watching your videos on Udemy.
Mm-hmm.
The one for the SCCM
Mm-hmm.
that you built a domain, the MSC server, and the client one.
Mm-hmm.
Is that something? Is that what we'll be doing in the class in the into class, or something different? Is it
That
related?
is that is for SCCM. Okay, that is not for Intune. So if you
Okay.
are looking for that one, then it comes in SCCM training.
Or this is
Okay.
quite different from, is it totally different?
Basically, SCCM and Intune both are similar product from
Okay.
Microsoft. Okay.
Okay.
So previously, as I told you previously, SCCM was managing the devices, but after this COVID-19, or my Intune is there for the past 13 years. So Microsoft was pushing hard to the for the people to go on Intune because it has uh, many features,
Yeah.
and you can manage devices on internet. That's the most um, you know that's the best feature of Intune. You don't have to have any agent installed on that. Just like in
Mm-hmm.
SCCM, you have to have agent dependency plus the network dependency. Here,
Mm-hmm.
devices can be managed on the internet. So
Mm-hmm.
that's the reason people are now moving towards Intune. Those who are using SCCM, they are also going to Intune. So if you would like to learn Intune and SCCM together, so you can learn either SCCM first or Intune first, depends on you.
Okay. So can we apply whatever experience we're going to get from this class to
Mhm.
ACCM? Is it possible?
Yes, it
Okay.
is, because the concept is similar.
Okay.
In SCCM, we do the deployment of application. In Intune, we do the deployment of application. We deploy updates from Intune. We deploy updates from SCCM.
Okay.
We deploy policies from SCCM. We deploy policies from Intune. So almost similar kind of functionality.
Okay. Got it. Thank you so much.
So which one is your priority now?
Well, I will just keep watching the video of Udemy and see continue
Hmm.
with this class as well. I'll just get both knowledge as well.
Okay, so you
So,
would like to go with Intune then?
yeah, so I'm going to follow the live class. I learn about Intune while I see continue watching the videos I'm
Okay,
watching on your Udemy platform.
okay,
Yeah, thank you.
fair enough. Um, yes, Sudha, you are looking for Intune, right? Okay, what about others? I'm not getting response from other people.
Hi,
Hi
Kashif.
Kashyap, this is
This is
Dinesh.
Dinesh.
Yes, Dinesh.
I'm looking for Intune, Kashif.
Okay,
Hi Kashyap, Siyama here. I'm looking for HCM.
Siyama. Okay, Pawan.
Hi Kashyap. Like earlier, I thought to go with the SSCM, then I've changed my mind, and I would like to go with the Intune now.
Okay, Pawan. Um, Sohail.
Yes, Kashif. Me too. I wanted to learn Intune.
Intune. Anybody left?
Kashyap, instead of
Okay.
writing his name, you wrote as Intune.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Yeah. Thank you. Sohail. Yeah. Okay. So you guys are looking for Intune, only Syama. You are looking for uh, SACM training. Okay. So um, I will start SCCM at a different time. Okay. And Intune at the same time. So tomorrow, 7 o'clock, we will continue with the Intune session. And for SCCM, hopefully at 9 a.m. India time. 9 a.m. will be 10:30 for you, those who are in US. Okay, for
Yeah.
SCCM session
When are you starting that, Kashif?
tomorrow.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to send you a chat later.
Okay.
Thanks.
So depends on you guys if you would like to join SCCM as well. So I would suggest go one by one. Don't join the session, both the session at the same time. It will be too heavy for you to absorb the technology. So rather, first you finish Intune and then join SCCM, or you finish SCCM first and then join Intune. Depends on you how you would like to go. Okay. So 9 o'clock India time, we will do SCCM 9 to 10 daily 1 hour session, and that is gonna be for 35 days. And a daily 1 hour session Monday to Friday. Okay. And Intune 7 o'clock. Tomorrow we will meet 7 o'clock for Intune session, guys. So Intune 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. SECM 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. And these are IST, Indian Standard Time, guys. Okay, you have to convert in your local time zone.
Sure, Kashif.
Okay. Any question from anyone before we
Kashif, I have a
wrap it up?
question, please. When you finish the one for the Intune right now, when are you going to have another class for the Intune? Does it come like yeah.
Hopefully that will come in January, I think.
Okay.
Uh,
So I could just do the S because I already started with the videos of SCTM right now, and I'm so
mm,
much into it and interested in that one. So maybe I'll just join the class for the SCCM. So when I get done with that, because like you said, it's a lot of information, and I don't want to like put everything together and like it's too much for me to consume at the same time. So
mm,
maybe I would just start with the continue with the SCCM with you tomorrow.
mm.
So when I finish with the SCCM, I could continue and get another class for the into sometime next year. Is that okay?
Okay, that's okay.
Thanks.
No worries. Now, so those who are interested to continue from tomorrow, either SCCM or Intune, okay, you need to reach me on this number. This is my WhatsApp number, or you can call me on this number for the enrollment process, how to enroll and the payment details and all. I will send that to you on WhatsApp so that you can continue from tomorrow onwards, guys. Okay.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Any question from anyone?
No, not right
Kashif, I
now.
have one question. Like you mentioned, policies and application. Is policy and applications are same?
Sorry, no, application is different. Like application is what? Adobe Reader, Google Chrome, Firefox, these are applications. Policies, like you have to deploy policy, how the computer will behave. For example, I would like to turn off the monitor after 7 p.m. in the evening. That is called policy. Got it?
Okay.
Or I would like to restart the device after 10 a 10 p.m. in the evening. So that's called a policy.
And uh, Kashif, this is Suhail. So, and it
Mhm.
will take like 30 days, right, to complete a course for Intune.
Yes, 30 days. 30 days means it's 30 days, excluding Saturday and Sunday. You don't count like a 1 month. It's not 1 month. It will be more than 1 month. So it will go up to 1 month, 1 week, something like that.
Okay, okay. And we will learn like autopilot as well, right? In this.
Yes, yes. Autopilot is there. Yes.
Okay, thanks.
No worries. Okay, so from Intune, you can deploy policies to the devices, to the application. You can deploy applications to the devices, no matter where the devices are located. If the devices are in US, you can, and you are in India, you can create the policy, you can deploy the application to the device, and the device will receive the application in US. right, over the internet. You can wipe the device, um, factory reset the device. Okay, so all you have to do it over the internet. Uh, okay, guys, I hope I have given enough information for you to start with the training. Any other question? Yes, Gloria. This course is aligned with the certification. Okay, and if you need if you are planning to take exam after this training, MD 102, then you let me know. I will guide you how to get through the exam. Okay.
And we have certificate for SCCM as well.
No, we don't have any certification for SCCM. Microsoft retired the certification. Previously, we used to have 243 and 703. They are gone. Okay.
Oh,
Those who are looking for course content, you send me a message on WhatsApp. I will send that to you, the course content for Intune or SCCM. Okay.
Okay.
What is the market, Susil, in US for Intune? You are in US right now.
Yeah, it is good, Kashif. As you said, it is, I mean, with a minimal experience, it is 45 per hour.
Hmm, 45 US dollar.
Yeah, $45 per hour.
Okay, so if you
But
compare with SCCM, SCCM has good vacancies or Intune has good vacancies?
no, Intune has good vacancies.
Hmm. And salary wise?
Salary wise, so far, Intune was good.
Okay.
I
But
know a couple of people who is drawing, 170K
Oh,
per year.
good.
Yeah.
Intune
but
administrator, right?
Yeah.
hello.
Yes, Siama.
Uh, but while going to the resume uploading, they are definitely asking SEM also with Intune. Only with Intune, they are not proceeding this in India. They are asking minimal experience.
India, in
HCM.
India, people are asking unnecessary skills set as well. Even if you are going to work purely on Intune, they want you to have SCCM knowledge. I don't
Yeah.
know why,
And
because
also, and also in
uh,
interviews, they are asking about SEM mostly than Intune.
but
and sometimes
if
they are good as well.
uh, sometime Azure as well. So it depends on company to company, but I have seen in India people are asking question, unrelated question. They are not focusing on very few companies, very few interviewer, those who are looking for the exact skill set, they will be focusing on that one. But most of the interviewers, they are asking, unrelated questions. So that is the mentality. I cannot comment on that one. But if you have good knowledge on SECM, then it will be easier for you to learn Intune. Okay, that I would say. If you have already worked on SECM, then Intune will be very easy for you to learn. Okay, because the concept is same.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we will.
So it-
Yes.
tomorrow SEM is starting, right? Nine
Sorry.
o'clock. From tomorrow, from 9 o'clock, SEM will start.
Yes, tomorrow 9 o'clock SECM will start, and Gloria and Siama.
Yeah.
These two people have confirmed they will join. So, and for Intune, Chandra, Susil, Salman, Sudha, Dinesh, Pawan, and Sohail. This is my WhatsApp number, guys. So those who are interested to continue either Intune or SCCM, you can reach me for the enrollment process. I will guide you. Okay, guys.
Yeah, that's cool, Kashif. Thank you.
Thank
Yeah,
you
thank
everyone
you.
for joining the
Yeah,
session. I hope the session
thank
was
you.
informative. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye now. Bye everyone.
Thanks.
Bye,
Thanks.
Kashif.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, Kashif.
S-
Everyone.